Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can adjust the volume for multiple clips in your video in Adobe Premiere 2019, my boy, and I'm going to show you right away. So first you got multiple clips. Like what I'm going to do, like I'm going to volume it up like for every single clip. No, my friend, no. You are going to hold the shift key and click on everything, or just grab it like this, or like that, like whatever possible way you want. Right click, audio gain, and as you can see, it's small. Audio gain is going to be like, I don't know, 15. When you go lower, minus, it's minus audio level, plus is plus audio level, so 13. And as you can see, it's really increased. Now what you can also do, let's say that you want to just edit two of them, so I will go like this, hold shift and click on the last one, right click, and now audio gain, and just adjust it to minus 20, for example, and you will see it will be much lower, these lines here. Yep. And that's how we do it actually. Wait a second. So that's kind of it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Thank you all everybody. Goodbye, see ya, and have a good life.